Hi, this is Dean Carson. These are the PRTC lines. The PRTC lines are lines of communication support to where you are in the economy and financials. We feel very importantly that businesses, being entrepreneurs, small businesses, startups, SMEs, the small and medium-sized entities, and even large-sized entities, need differentiated lines of communications to reach out to constituent groups. We work a lot with the written word in communication, so it's less frequent that you see videos with us talking about what we do. But in the broad line, it's also important to have that visual effect. We live in an audio-visual world. It's about all of the senses and seeing and being able to connect. So the power that we can bring to you is to understand your lines in the economy and financials, how those lines explain who you are and where you're headed to. It's not just about your financials, which come in almost 4 different flavors: the financial, accounting, taxes, and analysis lines, as well as regulatory compliance. But it's about those broad lines, how they map to the broader economy, how technology is your pathway to communications for data and financial lines, and how all of it works together to help any entity in a strategic and operational standpoint. So within those lines, PRTC lines consider brand and awareness, and we're here to help an outreach for growth. If you're going to grow, and we're working on the side of CFO advisory and accounting, and that's the role, is to help you just as the right hand doing project work to help you out and grow, then it's going to help if we have a communications line, and we'll take the time to use the skills we have from there to find you a lean product that works for you. We enjoy the cycle of communication, so we'll come meet with you, we'll interview with you, talk to you about what you do, how it's different. We'll then go to your employees if you'd like to add them into the line, because we think mostly it's about your view to what you do, the team's view to what you do, then trying to map out to a few clients, get their feedback. Hopefully you've got some good clients that really appreciate what you do, or some people that really believe in you. We'll put that in the line. We'll take some feedback from them, get it into a little mix. We'll get a few videos there and some written feedback, and then we'll put our own feedback into what it is, who you are in the economy and financials, meaning just in structural terms. You may work with, if you're in architecture, or you may be an engineer. We can talk in broad economic terms about the value you add and how you could specifically help people from that lens. I think across those 3 points, we get a good composite of who you are, the public and private lines. It's true that it's communications lines, the outreach that you get. If you're getting negative feedback, what happens is we'll move that to a feedback loop, and we'll explain that the feedback that we're collecting is about the positive lines for growth. If there was negative feedback captured in the process, that we've mapped it back in for process improvement. But our purpose in communication is to build out that favorable line where people are interested in coming to you for growth and improvements in the economy and financials. So I hope it's pretty clear. We've got a good plan in the PRTC lines, which are for entity growth and awareness, for awareness in individual, family, and societal needs, for programmatic awareness for government, NGO, nonprofit lines that are there to help community, and for the broader lines for us all to have better conversations about the challenges we meet and how we can improve them in the economy and financials. I'm Dean Carson. The message has always been, as communications are an important part of working with financials, being able to reach the team, being able to reach internal and external stakeholders, and being able to galvanize some measure of what we can do in the economy and financials to better meet your growth lines, to better build awareness on your pain points. If there's points of regulation that are making your business very difficult, you need some opportunity of outreach to let people know that's a complication of your business. I think there's many examples of that. So in a complex time, the economy and financials, we work with communications is one element of what we do. The other lines are accounting, financials, technology, and that's another line which we'll discuss soon. I'm Dean Carson. Thanks for dropping by.